Welcome to Curious Minds. Today we travel to August 15th, 1947, midnight in New Delhi. India is free after 2 centuries of British rule. Jawaharlal Nehru calls it a tryst with destiny. Hope fills the air, but so does sorrow. The British draw a line, partition, splitting India and Pakistan. It's not just land divided, but families, friends, and centuries of shared history. Overnight, millions are forced to flee. Trains packed with refugees cross new borders, many never reaching their destination. Violence erupts. Neighbors turn on each other. Over 1 million die, and 15 million are uprooted. The rivers run red, and the dream of a united India is shattered by the nightmare of partition. Yet, from this devastation, a new India must rise. Wounded, but determined to heal and rebuild. The challenge is immense: to unite, to heal, and to build a nation from the ashes. This is the paradox of India's birth: triumph and tragedy, hope and heartbreak, all at once. The scars of partition still shape India and its neighbors today. But the spirit to move forward, to create something new, is stronger than ever. India's story begins here, in both celebration and sorrow. Let's see how this young nation faced its next great test. Independence came at a cost. 2 centuries of British rule left India impoverished and fractured. Once a global economic powerhouse, India's industries were dismantled, its wealth drained, and its treasures, like the Kohinoor diamond, taken. The British imposed their systems, eroding Indian culture and pride. In 1947, India faced empty coffers, ruined industries, and a society torn by partition. The new government had to unite hundreds of languages, religions, and cultures, draft a constitution, and feed a starving population. The world doubted India's survival as a democracy. Wars, famines, and political instability threatened the nation's fragile unity. Every new school, dam, and factory became a symbol of hope and resilience. India's leaders made tough choices, holding the country together against all odds. Each small victory was a step toward a stronger nation. The struggle for survival defined India's early years. In 1971, India faced a defining moment. A brutal war in East Pakistan sent millions of refugees into India. The world turned its back, but the Soviet Union stood by India, giving the nation the confidence to act. In just 13 days, India's military helped create Bangladesh, establishing itself as a regional power. Resilience wasn't just on the battlefield. India launched the Green Revolution, ending its dependence on food aid. High-yield seeds and modern farming transformed India from famine to self-sufficiency. Farmers became heroes, feeding a nation that once starved. Ambition soared higher, literally. India built a space program from scratch. Early rockets traveled on bicycles. Today, ISRO sends missions to the Moon and Mars. Chandrayaan missions showcase Indian ingenuity and pride. From hunger to harvest, from bullock carts to space, India's journey is one of relentless progress. Science and self-belief became the engines of transformation. India's resilience redefined its place in the world. The nation was ready for a new dawn. Today, India stands transformed. Now the world's 4th largest economy, growing at record speed. Cities buzz with innovation. Digital payments like UPI set global standards. India's greatest strength is its people, young, ambitious, and proud. Over half the population is under 25, shaping the future with creativity and confidence. From tech hubs to cricket fields, Indians are making their mark worldwide. India's diversity is its power. Many languages, one nation. Challenges remain, but hope and unity drive the country forward. The journey from 1947 to today is a testament to resilience and dreams. India's story inspires the world, and it's only just beginning. Like and subscribe to Curious Minds for more stories of transformation.